everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are at Atmos Tropical Woods in Yelahanka, North Bangalore. Let me tell you something. If you have ever dreamed of living in a green, calm environment, then this one is worth checking out. Let's take a look around. And what's really cool about this project is the different facilities they provide. We are talking about rainwater harvesting, you have sewage and waste treatment plant. Along with that, you have drip irrigation, maintenance like cutting and trimming of these plants. And when you walk through this space, you can feel there is this sense of balance between both nature and architecture. This is a 3 BHK model apartment measuring 2,370 square feet, and they have really nailed out the layout. As you can see from the entrance itself, you have open courtyards, skylight, cross ventilation that makes the whole space really come alive. This will be your dining space, and as you can see, you also get a standing balcony with it, which allows air to flow in, which seamlessly connects to your modular kitchen with a lot of storage units. Now let's check the bedrooms. On the first floor, you have one bedroom. You also get a bay window, wardrobe space, and an attached washroom. On the second floor, you have another bedroom. You have an attached balcony, an attached washroom, and you also have a wardrobe space. Now, on the third floor, we have our primary bedroom. You have windows both the sides with a wardrobe space and an attached washroom. This is your terrace balcony with a bar countertop, and that's over there is your terrace garden area where you can keep your favorite plants, and you also have a seating arrangement. Now to my right is your utility area where you can keep your washing machine, and finally your terrace. Look at how windy it is over here. Again, you have rooftop garden area, very tropical theme vibes. It's amazing over here. So first thing first, location. We are here off Todbalapur Road, right here in North Bangalore. You've got Hebbal, Manyata Tech Park, and even the airport, all within a 20 to 30 minute drive, which is a huge plus if you are commuting or flying often. Now, this project is on a 7-acre land parcel with only 150 villas in total, which makes it a low density project with peaceful environment. 70% is open space and greenery. You've got wide internal roads, landscape gardens, and villas planned in a way that maximizes privacy and natural light. And for the most important bit, price. Villas here starts around at 2 CR. Possession is by December 2026, and here's the catch. There are only 150 villas in total, so it's a small close-knit community and the bookings are filling up fast. So if this feels like your kind of place, make sure to reach out to us or schedule a visit. If you like watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.